Running $1 million business requires careful planning, strategic decision-making, and diligent execution. While there is no one-size-fits-all approach, here are some general steps you can follow to increase your chances of success. Develop a solid business plan. Start by defining your business idea, target market, competitive advantage, and revenue streams. Set clear objectives and create a roadmap for achieving them. Your business plan should outline your marketing strategy, operational details, financial projections, and potential risks. Build a competent team. Surround yourself with talented individuals who complement your skills and share your vision. Hire experienced professionals who can contribute to your business's growth. Delegate responsibilities effectively and foster a positive work culture that encourages collaboration and innovation. Understand your market. Conduct thorough market research to identify trends, customer needs, and your competitors. Determine your unique value proposition and position your products or services accordingly. Continuously monitor market changes and adapt your strategies accordingly. Develop a strong brand. Create a compelling brand identity that resonates with your target audience. Invest in high-quality branding materials, such as a logo, website, and marketing collateral. Establish a consistent brand voice and use various marketing channels to raise awareness and build a loyal customer base. Focus on customer acquisition and retention. Implement effective marketing and advertising campaigns to attract new customers. Leverage social media, content marketing, search engine optimization, SEO, and paid advertising to expand your reach. Additionally, prioritize customer satisfaction by providing exceptional products, services, and customer support to encourage repeat business. Monitor and manage your finances. Implement a robust financial management system to track your income, expenses, and cash flow. Create a budget and regularly analyze financial reports to make informed decisions. Seek professional advice if needed, and ensure you have a solid understanding of financial concepts like profit margins, pricing strategies, and cost management. Scale strategically. As your business grows, identify opportunities for expansion. Consider diversifying your product or service offerings, exploring new markets, or expanding your customer base. Implement efficient processes and systems that can handle increased demand without sacrificing quality. Foster innovation and adaptability. Stay informed about industry trends and emerging technologies. Encourage your team to think creatively and embrace innovation. Adapt to changing market conditions and customer preferences, adjusting your strategies as needed to stay ahead of the competition. Build strong partnerships. Form strategic alliances with suppliers, distributors, or complementary businesses to enhance your capabilities and reach. Collaborate with industry influencers, thought leaders, or organizations that can help promote your brand and extend your network. Stay resilient and persevere. Running a business is challenging, and setbacks are inevitable. Stay motivated, learn from failures, and remain resilient in the face of adversity. Adapt your strategies, seek feedback, and continuously improve to keep your business on a growth trajectory. Remember, running $1 million business takes time, dedication, and perseverance. It's essential to stay focused, constantly learn and adapt, and surround yourself with a strong support network to increase your chances of success.